Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Today I am making my very favorite cheese ball. My mom made this cheese ball all the time growing up. I love it. It is so good and it is a pineapple cheese ball. Now there are only a few ingredients to this cheese ball. It's super easy, so let me go over the ingredients with you. So you will need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese and 1 cup of a sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups of pecans, 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped green pepper, and then I have 1/2 cup here of crushed pineapple. I usually get the smallest can that you can get of the crushed pineapple, but I could not find it anywhere. So I just measured out 1/2 cup. Now you do want to squeeze out as much of that liquid of the juice, the pineapple juice, as you can. You want it to be as dry as possible or you'll have a sloppy, messy cheese ball. And then I have 1 teaspoon of a minced onion and 1 teaspoon of a seasoned salt. Okay, so I have added my cream cheese to a large mixing bowl, and this cream cheese is at room temperature. But before I go over just how to make this cheese ball, just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload those new delicious recipes, then hit that little notification bell that you see just below this video. And also give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like this video. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start adding the ingredients to this cheese. First with my shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to take a wooden spoon and mix this together. I'm going to add my green peppers and my seasoning. And then finally the pineapple. Okay, so my cheese mixture here looks really well combined, and so now what I'm going to do is take this little mini chopper that I have, and I'm just going to start chopping my pecans, and I want to chop them as finely as I can. Okay, so my pecans are chopped really good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 1/3 cup of these pecans and I'm going to add them into my cheese mixture. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to take this cheese mixture and form it into a ball. You will need some parchment paper. You can do this on plastic wrap too, or even aluminum foil, whatever you have handy. But you want to spread your pecans onto your paper. And then you're going to take your cheese mixture and place it onto your pecans. Taking another spoon to scrape off this extra cheese. All right, then you just want to kind of roll it around in those pecans. Oh, look at that, it's already looking beautiful. And I kind of like to press those pecans in as I roll. This cheese ball just makes me think of Christmas. Look at it, it's beautiful. You guys, this cheese ball is simply the best ever. It has that hint of sweetness from the pineapple and the crunch from the pecans. I don't know about you, but there are certain foods that just bring me back to Christmas or remind me of Christmas. And as strange as it may seem, this cheese ball makes me think of Christmas. I just love it. We always had it at Christmas, so I guess that's why. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. And I will be seeing you soon with some more holiday recipes.